Hello friends, today I will be showing you a trick in an iPhone. And once if a person is calling you, and normally when we press the lock screen button it ends the call. So with this trick, every time when you press the lock screen button it will mute your call, but it will not cancel the call. So let's check it. Okay, now you have to come to the settings, and under settings just go to the accessibility option, and under accessibility option search for touch, and under touch option just go to the prevent lock to end call and enable it. So now I will show you, if a person calling you and you press the lock screen button, it will not cancel the call. So as you can see, after pressing the lock screen button, the call is not cancelling anymore.